What do you understand by law of evidence? What do you understand by substantive law and adjective law? In what class would you place the law and evidence? Ans. The word evidence has been taken from Latin expression evidence, which implies to make clear or evident. So law of evidence deal with modes of leading evidence as well as regulating that evidence of which fact can be given in court. According to section 2 such clause, I of CR.P.C, a judicial proceedings includes any proceedings in course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. So object of law of evidence to assist the court in judging what facts are relevant to ascertain the truth and to avoid the confusion, and how such relevant facts will be proved in courts by lawfully leading the evidence. The Indian Evidence Act is primarily based on English law of evidence, but the Act is not exhaustive and does not contain the whole of the rules of evidence. Law of evidence, according to Sir James F. Stephen. The law of evidence is that part of the law of procedure, which with a view to ascertain individual rights and liabilities in individual cases, it decides 1. What facts may and what may not be proved in such cases. 2. What sort of evidence must be given to a fact which may be proved, and 3. By whom and in what manner the evidence must be given by which any fact is proved. The Indian Evidence Act is divided into three main parts. A. Relevancy of facts, Section 6 to 55. B. Mode of proof of relevant facts, Section 56 to 117. C. By whom and in what manner evidence must be produced, Section 118 to 167. Laws may be divided primarily into substantive and procedural laws. The laws by which rights, duties and liabilities are defined are called substantive law. For example, Indian Penal Code. The laws which prescribes the mode or procedure by which application of substantive law is regulated are called procedural law or adjective law. So law of evidence is law of procedure, i.e. adjective law. Evidence Act does not define or fix rights or liabilities under the law, but only prescribe the mode by which rights or liabilities or parties is ascertained. It is thus adjective law and helps in proving or implementing the substantive law. Law evidence is Elix fori, where evidence is taken in one country in aid of suit or proceedings in another country. The law applicable to the recording of the evidence would be the law prevailing in the country where the proceeding is going on. Phrase Elix fori means the law of place of the action. The law of evidence is Elix fori. Whether certain evidence proves a certain fact or not is to be determined by law of the country where the question arises, where the remedy is sought to be enforced and court sits to enforce it.